And as we sort out of a pen, once again, you have to get the cattle to go into the area, make that transition to come out, and then you can hold the ones you want to hold in the corner, or in one side of the pen or at the back of the pen. So I'm going to try to take out the little heifers. This little heifer right here, I'll try to push on her hip and get her to come out. I'm out of position, I have to turn the other heifer back, push on her. Now then I have to get these other heifers, because the red heifer's the one I want out. These other heifers are going to have to help me. One way or another, I've got to get them to come around and expose her to where I can get her attention to me and get her transitioned out of that group. So again, I can put some pressure on them right now, get them to push her head around. Now I want the big heifer out. She's not helping matters any. Right now I'm set up to get one more out that I want out. Now I just keep moving these across, leaving the big heifer available. I need to get them further back or I'll lose a little control on them. I'll try to push her back in the corner. This heifer back in the corner. Trouble we've got right now, the most aggressive cow is the one I want to use these others to push out. So she's not going to allow them to do that very well. But we'll see. What I've got to do is get her moving and get these others stationary. I just take a minute to get them still. Again, if they move, I'm going to try to bring them around behind her and push her out of that corner. If you lose a sort, don't worry about it. We can go back and get that heifer in just a minute. I still have to get this cow to moving while I've got this heifer pushed toward her. It's one of those situations where I've got to get these other heifers stopped so I can get some movement in this big cow. Once again, I'm going to have to turn these others back across. I'm getting them to do what I need them to do now, and I'll get her on the outside in just a minute. Push these other cattle back in behind her, where I can get them to hold themselves, then I can bring her out of the pen.